Is managing the lunchroom or dining hall's food waste a priority for your school? Our composting system makes it fast and easy to go green. Collect food waste from prep tables, serving tables, and anything uneaten by students and staff. Load the EcoRich composter once a day. Press Cycle Start on the touchscreen and walk away. It's that easy. In just 24 hours, food waste is digested and reduced up to 90%. Remove finished material from the composter as little as once a week. Just open the front door, place a container under it, and press the Remove Compost button. The machine ejects the material in about 30 minutes, but enough material with microbes is left to start the process all over again. Put the container aside for 21 days so the composting process stops. Then use the nutrient-rich materials for gardens, lawns, landscaping, or farms. That's real sustainability simplified. Schedule a call with EcoRich today and find out how we can make it easy to go green.